model, 70-plate CITROEN Dispatch Expert VIVARO 1.5 BlueHDi 100 Van Enterprise Spares OR Repairs ULEZ Euro 6 Star Struck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 122781. Engine, 1499 ccbl ULEHDi 100 DV5 RDV. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,825. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.